Hey guys, so I've got a quick video on a 2021 Range Rover Sport 3.0 L6. I'm going to show you how to check the oil level after an oil change. So first time I ran on this one with an issue like this. So usually what we do is make sure the vehicle's been sitting for almost 10 to 15 minutes at idle on a level surface, like ignition off, everything off. So we're going to press the start button once, make sure the ignition comes on, make sure the hood is open. So once all the messages clear out, press OK right over here. OK one more time, then we're gonna press OK, go right one more time, and once you go down, right under next service, it should say check oil level. It did not. So, Range Rover doesn't give that much information even on all data. So I usually try different things like let it warm up, then check it, let it cool down, then check it. And I don't work on Range Rover specifically, but I do work on quite a few Range Rovers, so I know how the checkup procedure works. So on most cars, you should be able to check it under next service. It will say check oil level, and as long as the conditions are met, it will show you an electronic dipstick. So after getting frustrated, I went out, and just realized that they have a dipstick on this one. So I guess the only 3.0 L6 models have dipsticks, which I should have noticed without being cocky that there is no dipstick. I should have checked. So lesson learned. So if somebody else is having the same issue, hopefully this helps. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.